Let's take a look at Ms. Pressler's osmosis practice problems. Here are the instructions. You're going to take a look at each picture that comes up. You'll draw it out on another sheet of paper. You will write in the missing concentration of the solute or the water inside and outside of the cell. The total should be 100% outside the cell, 100% inside the cell. Then on your paper, draw an arrow to show how water will move. Lastly, write what happens to the cell and what type of solution the cell is placed in. If you forget these instructions, you cannot go back, but I will remind you with each drawing. After you solve each problem, there will be a question that comes up that you have to answer. Take a look at the first one. We have 20% solute on the outside, 10% of solute on the inside of the cell. Write in the missing percent for water outside the cell. Write the missing percent of water inside the cell. Then draw how water will move. And then write draw how water will move, and then write what happens to the cell and write out what type of solution the cell is in. Take a look at number 2. 10% solute outside the cell, 18% solute inside the cell. Write the missing percentages of water. Draw your arrows to show the movement of water. Write what will happen to the cell. And write what type of solution the cell is placed in. Number 3. Outside of the cell is 95% water. Inside the cell is 85% water. Write in the missing solute percentages inside and outside. Draw your arrows to show the direction of water movement. Then write what will happen to the cell and what type of solution the cell is placed in. Number 4. 15% solute outside the cell, 15% solute inside the cell. Write the missing percentages of water inside and outside the cell. Draw the direction that water will move. Write what will happen to the cell and what type of solution the cell is in.